another art project. This time we're going to do a sports logo painting in acrylic. And for my sports logo, I picked the LA Dodgers, winners of the 2020 World Series. So I found the logo online, and I'll go ahead and print it. And then I'll use it for my painting. Now, you could freehand it onto a piece of paper and just draw it by eye. Maybe look at the logo you have in a magazine or on a jersey or a cap or on the computer screen, and then just draw it. Or you could print it out straight from the computer, and I made it about the size that I want it on my canvas. Now I'm going to show you a method to transfer onto your canvas. So here's my canvas. It's canvas cloth stretched on a frame. And there's my image on a paper printout. And I'm going to rub pencil lead on the back of the paper. And this pencil lead is called graphite, and this is a graphite transfer. You can also buy this graphite paper that works really good for doing this. But there's a cheap, easy way to do it is just rub pencil lead on the back of your printout. And what's going to happen is I'm going to put this on top of the canvas. Oh, the canvas kind of stretches. I'll take this block of index cards, stick it behind the canvas so when I push down I don't rip through the canvas or something. And then I'll put my printout with the pencil lead on the back on top of my canvas. With my left hand, I hold the paper so it does not move at all. Some people will tape it down, but I'm pretty good at keeping it still with my left hand. That way I can lift it up and peek under and see what I got and what I didn't, or if I'm missing anything. So I'm just pressing down on the outlines of the logo to transfer it onto the canvas. And when I think I have enough, I can take the paper off or finally move it. And there you can see it's light, but you can go back and darken it in with the pencil and then paint. So I take my paint and I'm painting all around. I apologize because the sunlight from this window is reflecting on the paint, so you can't really see accurately how I'm painting it, but I paint the edges really good. And I'll do different layers of paint. I'll let it dry and then paint some more. Also, you can paint fine details using a fine detail brush. If you mess up, which I did, you can get white and touch it up with white, because I was just using the blue, but I ended up using some white to touch up. And now that I'm done, there's the painting, and maybe I can sell it when I sell art in Venice. But there's your sports logo painting.